What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Check out Bubbles. This is just after a water change. Just did a water change. I took out the green plants that I have behind here, and I also put this in here. I put it back in here. You know, if any one of these guys want to go in there and chill. These blood parrots are awesome. I love these guys. Very beautiful fish. Got King Titan just chilling at the top. He ate a bunch of food this morning. Bunch of frozen krill. He is getting big. Oh yeah, I did put the diffusers back on. The original Flugel FX6 diffusers back on. That one's there, and that one's there. I have them pointing straight up at the surface to irritate the surface, so puts more oxygen in the water. It was just you know, I love the strong current that it was given, but it was, you know, it was a little too much, to tell you the truth. A little too much. The fish weren't that comfortable, especially Titan. See how he normally chills at the top? He was like almost in the middle because it was too strong on top. So, took it out. No big deal though. Bubbles is just beautiful. See, his fins are getting longer. That's how, before he got attacked by the Giardini, his fins were really long, like really longer than his body. And now they're finally starting to get to how they were. See how they're getting longer? So that's cool. That's coming back. Everybody's doing great. Clown loaches are hilarious. Beautiful blood parrots. Check them out. There's Bubbles. His coals are starting to pop. He actually got bigger, I feel, from last week. I feel like he did get bigger. I noticed the other day that the hump on his head looked bigger than normal. There you go, it's a nice little yawn. Let's take a look from the side. This is a look at the side. See, Bubbles just follows me everywhere. He's just cool as hell. So are the blood parrots. There's King Titan right down there. see they got plenty of swimming space. The tank is 2 feet wide, 2.5 feet tall, and 6 feet long. 220 gallons. Water's crystal clear, always. That's the key to having healthy fish. Having good water quality. I moved around the driftwood. I just spread it out so you know, it went longer across the tank. Normally this piece was standing right in the middle, but I just stretched it out so now it looks like one big piece. I like it. I'm almost at 400 subscribers. I appreciate all you guys. Excuse me. And yeah, I love all the support, all the comments you guys give me, and everything. So I just want to thank you guys for that. And let's see if we could get to 1,000 subscribers. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I mean, my videos are going to change very soon because this guy is going to get bigger, and you know, we're going to do some fun videos, fun feeding videos with him. So it's going to be cool to watch. But for right now, he's just chilling, you know, and it's cool to watch his progression for you guys to see. You know, how a silver arowana progresses week after week. So if you guys are interested in getting one, you know, just pay attention right here. You know, every week you'll see the changes and his eating habits, his growth spurts, everything. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Also, you Flowerhorn lovers, here we go. Cannot not love this guy. This is Bubbles. He's a success story. He almost died. He got attacked, and I removed him from the tank, and then he had gotten a parasite into his body, which caused him to basically have like diarrhea, and it's just pure white. It's pure white. They don't eat when this is going on. He will not eat, but just constant white coming out of him, constant white. And the hump on his head was like all deflated. Check it out. Check that out. You know, like cool as Flowerhorn, he don't care. But the hump on his head was all deflated, it was all sunk in, and he just wasn't doing good. So I treated him, and like I said, better than ever. Pure success story right here. So loving this guy every minute I got him. Beautiful. Flowerhorns. These guys are crazy. I mean, the blood parrots, sorry. These blood parrots are crazy. Bubbles just gotta be in the camera. Just has to be. Alright, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, if you're new, welcome. You know, I appreciate the love. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.